Around 14 to 25 million years ago, this area was covered by the Sarmatic Sea. Imagine walking along the bottom of a prehistoric sea that existed millions of years ago. A natural wonder of Ukraine or Ureign, Podilski Tovtry National Nature Park. Continue watching to find out more.
Continue your war, cause hell is applauding you and preparing the hellfire to throw you in.
When visiting beautiful San Marino, the friendly locals may say, Buona giornata. That means, have a good day in Italian, the country's official language. Peace-loving viewers, I'm Ludovico. The contented Samarinese people thank you for setting an example of kindness and consideration towards all life on earth. We are delighted to have you join us as we explore a natural wonder of Ukraine or Ureign, Podilski Tovtry National Nature Park. Situated in the Khmelnytskyi region, the National Environmental Park of Ukraine or Ureign, more popularly known as Podilski Tovtry National Nature Park, is one of the country's most attractive corners, famous for its amazingly beautiful landscapes. Podilski Tovtry National Nature Park was established on July 27, 1996, by the then President, His Excellency Leonid Kuchma, via special decree. The purpose of the park is to maintain and protect the natural landscape of Podilya, in the southern region of western Ukraine, or Ureign. The area is an important part of the ecological network and covers approximately 2,600 square kilometers, making it the largest nature conservation area in the country. In 2017, the massive Satanivska Dacha area, which covers 2.1 square kilometers of Podilski Tovtry National Nature Park, was accorded the status of a UNESCO World Heritage Site as part of the ancient and primeval beech forests of the Carpathians and other regions of Europe listing. The Zbruch River borders the Podilski Tovtry National Nature Park on the west. The Dniester River lies on the southern border, and the former administrative borders of the Novoushitsia and Dunaevtsi rayons are to the east, with the Dimitrov, Orjonikidze and Horodok rayons to the north. The park is home to some 1,700 different species of flora and 217 species of animal people. Designated functional zones, the sacred zone, recreational zones, and managed zones enable park authorities to better counter the damages caused by existing industrial and farming activities within the confines of the park. Podilski Tovtry National Nature Park plays a pivotal role in the preservation of biodiversity, while also offering organized recreational and wellness activities for the benefit of the Ukrainian or Ureignian people and world citizens at large. Because of the importance of the park to nature preservation, recreation, and scientific research, it is managed by and comes under the jurisdiction of the Ukraine Ministry of Ecology and Nature Resources. The distinctive landscape of this national park is well known in Eastern Europe, especially the Towtorowy Ridge of Podilya, a range of oddly shaped hills covered in velvet vegetation. The wondrously scenic Tovtorowy Ridge is a primary attraction as it towers over the mighty Dniester River's tranquil azure surface. The rocky arched ridge is the remains of coastal reefs stretching parallel to the ancient coastline. It reaches an average height of 443 meters above sea level. While the United States Grand Canyon, Yosemite National Park, and parts of Great Britain have rocky ridges with comparable geological structures, the Tovtorowy Ridge is the only mountain ridge in the world formed by the prolonged activity of living organisms, rather than by tectonic forces. Around 14 to 25 million years ago, this area was covered by the Sarmatic Sea. Over time, the remains of giant colonies from the marine kingdom of corals, seaweeds, shellfish, people, and other organisms, together with particles of fossil roche, formed deposits that created a huge barrier reef. When the sea fully receded, a long series of lime mountains were exposed, becoming what we know as the Tovtorowy Ridge. Imagine walking along the bottom of a prehistoric sea that existed millions of years ago. Visually, these hills are like big waves covered with lush forest and greenery, with beautiful blue lakes of varying shapes and sizes at their feet. This unique geological formation can only be found in Ukraine's or Ureign's Podilski Tovtry National Nature Park.
Deny vegan, 'cause you want to prove what an inhumane being you are on Earth.
Righteous viewers, let's take a moment to be thankful for the planet's beautiful, life-sustaining nature. We'll be right back, here on Supreme Master Television. Welcome back to a natural wonder of Ukraine, or Ureign, Podilski Tovtry National Nature Park. Podilski Tovtry National Nature Park was recognized as one of the 7 natural wonders of Ukraine, or Ureign, in 2008. It is home to 65 rare species of animal people and some 60 uncommon species of plants. There are also numerous underground caves that have become shelters for about 14 species from the Bat people kingdom. Known for its rich source of nectareous fruit plants such as hawthorn, raspberry, and blackberry, the air in this region is always filled with fragrant smells. Local people affectionately call the park the Medobory, meaning honey gathering, nature reserve. The name Medobory comes from honey plants, and local forests are rich in them. The lakes and rivers of Podilski Tovtry National Nature Park are known to be plentiful in microelements that are said to bring healing powers to the water. For this reason, many recreational campsites have been planned at locations that enable access to the well-known mineral waters and provide facilities for health enhancement. Podilski Tovtry National Nature Park also encompasses the ecologically significant Bakota Bay, located in the river canyon of Dniester River. This body of water and marshy area has a horseshoe-like shape. The majority of slopes overlooking the bay are garlanded with forests and are rocky and steep in certain spots. Chips of breakstone and pebbles blanket the riverbank. A primary landmark of Bakota Bay is the remains of St. Michael's Rock Cave Monastery, hidden in the Dniester River's canyon. The monastery is thought to be the first Kievan Christian center. The first known mention of this building dates back to 1362, when Lithuanians came to the area and documented seeing monks there. They noted that the monastery had already existed for a long time. Indeed, its origins can be traced to remote pre-Christian periods of the area. These caves were converted into a monastery roughly 1,000 years ago. An ancient inscription on a wall indicates the monastery's dedication to Saint Michael the Archangel, as well as recording the names of the founder and first abbot. The monastery was in operation from the middle of the 12th century to the middle of the 15th century. It is considered the largest and best preserved among the 20 cave monasteries of Transnistria. The Bukota St. Michael's Rock Cave Monastery is the oldest known monument of religious underground structures and the development of orthodoxy in the region. Archaeological evidence also confirms several shrines, temples, and ancient burial barrows along the banks of the Dniester River. Podilski Tovtry National Nature Park has many other fascinating geological formations. Perhaps the most famous is Atlantis, which is located in the valley of the beautiful Zbruch River. A 2-kilometer-long underground formation with 3 tiers, Atlantis is endowed with colored gypsum crystals and other mineral formations all over the grotto, which have inspired scientists, artisans, and visitors alike. Today, travelers are drawn to the enchanting grandeur and charm of Podilski Tovtry National Nature Park's forests, meadows, villages, and hamlets. Visitors may explore the unusual underground formations such as hermits' caves and adventure on various carefully charted scenic routes for hiking, horseback riding, boating, driving, or cycling. Moreover, the national park contains 302 monuments of cultural and historical heritage, 205 of which are located in the historic city of Khmelnytskyi, including Khmelnytskyi Castle. Other attractions include a botanical garden and 19 archaeological sites, providing multiple choices for visitors from all walks of life to enjoy. Indeed, while sustaining such an abundance of vibrant life, natural beauty, and historic and archaeological sites, Podilski Tovtry National Nature Park is truly a gem of Ukraine, or Ureign. We thank the Ukrainian or Ureignian government and all working to preserve the Podilski Tovtry National Nature Park. May the brave people of Ukraine or Ureign always be shielded in God's protection and soon live in peace, rejuvenating and enjoying your beautiful homeland.
Russia, leave Ukraine or Ureign now. Peace be with you too.
I thought that it was even worse, that they just cut the fins off, and the sharks were out there not able to move. That really scared me, and I used to have nightmares that they were finless in the ocean. I couldn't eat any fish ever again. Ruby Rose Langenheim, vegan.
It's been a pleasure to have you, our noble viewers, with us today. Coming up next is Plant-Based is the Natural Diet, Dr. Kim Benson, Vegan, Part 1 of 2, right after noteworthy news, here on Supreme Master Television. May a peaceful, vegan era soon arrive on Earth with God's blessings.
Be vegan, make peace, do good deeds. Hell not rich.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/ NB.
Nos programmes offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule et suprememastertv.com/NB.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visiten suprememastertv.com/schedule y suprememastertv.com/NB.
Манай нэвтрүүлгүүд олон хэлээр гардаг. Зочлох хаяг suprememastertv.com/schedule болон suprememastertv.com/NB.